Alright guys, so I just made this wig. I curled it with perm rods. Yeah, this is what it looks like. And guys, the green you see underneath, that's where I use that to ventilate. So if you see through it, that's why it's green. But now I'm going to take these out. It looks so pretty. And just, this is really pretty. I've been wanting to do some bantu knots. And guys, this is a mixture of purple and burgundy. Okay. Like, this is really pretty. I'm glad I thought about this combination. I had some burgundy braiding here, which I got off of Amazon. I will leave some links to all the stuff that I use in my videos. So please check that out in the description box. Yeah, I'm gonna see if I can do some bantu knots. I'm seriously thinking about it. And guys, I made this wig within 2 hours. The ventilation was all right. Okay. Ventilating the wig or crocheting the lace front was all right. I just wanted to make a pretty wig. So I did not make the ventilation all that small, or I used like more than one hole and more than 3 strands of hair. I used like 5 strands, maybe 6. But so far I'm liking the way it's turning out. And guys, this wig was long, but now that it's got the curls, it's shrunk. But it's okay. I hope everybody is doing well. And guys, if you would like to see me do talking videos about certain life issues, please comment. Like, guys, you haven't been talking to me, and there's a good amount of you guys that subscribe to me. So I'm like, where y'all at though? Like, talk to me. Say hello. I'd appreciate it. Nah, but seriously, guys, I want you all to talk to me. Like, there's a reason you chose to follow my channel, to subscribe to my channel. Like, talk to me. Don't be afraid. I don't bite unless I get really mad. Alrighty, guys. So, this is some braiding hair that I already separated. It's burgundy, and I got it off of Amazon. There will be links in the description box, so please check it out. And then I have some purple. And guys, this is high quality synthetic hair, so I would recommend trying to get it. And this is what it looks like in my hand. So what you do is, and guys, I learned this years ago from other YouTubers, how to blend your colors. But basically you just pull it, keep it taut, and keep it right underneath each other. Do it again. keep it on top of each other. And you, as much as you want it blended, that's how you keep it blended. You just go underneath. And you can brush it out if you want to. And just continue doing that. And guys, I kind of wanted chunky highlights of the purple. So, yeah. And you can add more, half and half the color, the amount of hair. And just keep playing with it how you want it. You can do it fast, you can do it slow. So I only wanted pops of purple. So yeah, guys, that's basically how you do it. And there'll be some more footage. Okay, guys, so the braiding technique did not work. And the twisting technique did not work. So I had to find another way to do it. So this is what I did. Let me scroll in a little bit. So far I have 2 already done. And I'm just going to do 3 in the front and leave like a little bang right here. So what you do is, you take it by the middle, twist it a little bit, and you take a bobby pin. And guys, please excuse my nails. I do hair a lot, mainly making wigs, and them fake nails or press-ons don't work. And when I use acrylic, it just doesn't feel comfortable. I like my bare nails. But yeah, you just hold the bobby pin at the center of it and then slowly take the hair and wrap it around and hold. You see where I'm holding it? And just wrap around. I know you're thinking, wait a minute, but there's a bobby pin in it. How do I get that out? But it's not going to be hard. So, and like I said, guys, this is a crochet wig. If I haven't said it already, this is a crochet lace front wig that I made. And I did blend the colors together myself. It's burgundy and purple. So I'm just going to wrap this one around. Sorry, guys, I'm also heavy-handed. Okay. I know I'm going really fast. Okay. So now I have 3. Y'all can see that. And then what you do is you push the bobby pin through, and there you go. So that's an easy way to do a bantu knot. So this is something I just came up with out of the blue, but right now I am just going to pull out the curls a little bit. Like, this is a pretty wig, guys. I outdid my shit. Not to toot my own horn, but shucks, if I don't, who will?